Hi, my name is Liza Nunes and today I will be teaching you how to make cheese quesadillas. For this recipe, you will need white tortillas, shredded Mexican cheese, and make sure you either have butter or Pam cooking spray. First, you want to get a medium pan, big enough to fit a whole tortilla in. Then set your burner on high and let the pan heat up. Once your pan is heated up, turn it down to 5 or medium heat. Next, spray your whole pan with Pam and put one tortilla in. Next, take about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese, or however much you prefer, and sprinkle it all on top of the tortilla until it is completely covered with a layer of cheese. Then, place a second tortilla on top of it. Leave the quesadilla on this side for about 3 or 4 minutes or until the bottom is brown. Next, take a spatula and flip the quesadilla just like a pancake. Leave it on this side for another 3 to 4 minutes, but make sure your cheese is completely melted. Once both sides are a little brown and the cheese is fully melted, your quesadilla is done. Use your spatula to take it out of the pan and put it on the plate. Feel free to cut into slices just like you would a pizza. Enjoy your yummy quesadilla!